sure we're all familiar with Philippine cinema, especially the fans of action movies. I can see not only the ladies are smiling, quite a lot of the gentlemen as well. We are talking about the country's biggest name, okay? He is dashing, very handsome, such a gentleman, and can I just add to that, ang bango. I just had to put that in. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking pride in introducing to all of you MoneyGram's celebrity brand ambassador for its Moneygrado campaign. Please welcome the one, the only, Mr. Robin Padilla. Those photos. Good afternoon, Robin!
Isang magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Bago ko po kayo batiin, gusto ko lamang pasalamatan ng magandang binibini sa isang napakagandang introduction.
Wow! Please record this as well.
Yes, napakasarap marinig ng isang katulad ko, na ang isang katulad mo na napakagandang dalaga ay puno ng papuri sa akin. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo po, ipinagawa ko siya ng oatmeal habang nandun kami sa backstage at inaasikaso ko siya, pinagawa ko siya ng oatmeal. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, Binibini, huwag mong kalimutan ikwento yan. Kasi siya ay instructor. Siya ay dance instructor, siya ay talagang health bath. Kaya isang malaking karangalan na ipinagawa kita ng oatmeal. Dapat may kiss ako doon, di ba?
Pwede ba? Can I give him a kiss according to I need a go signal from the bosses.
I was just telling, I'm sorry my bosses, I was just telling everybody.
Yes, your bosses are here.
Yeah, that I had a good time a while ago on the backstage. I was the one who prepared the oatmeal for the beautiful lady. That's why she gave me a very good introduction. How about the kiss?
Everyone, it's okay, right? Everyone got to go signal. Thank you once again.
Don't tell my wife.
Video. Nobody will tweet about that. Okay, you know what, Robin, please take your seat as I introduce, of course, our executives will be coming up and joining us as well. Please come on up, Mr. Nick Canu, Mr. Juan Aguadimpia, and of course, Mr. Alex Lim. Please join us up on stage. We've got the whole MoneyGram family joining us out here. So right here. Thank you so much. All right, my first question will be going to Robin. How does it feel to be the brand ambassador for Moneygrado ng MoneyGram? Anong pakiramdam?
Una, gusto ko muna magpasalamat nag-iisang Panginoon nating lahat. Sa isang biyaya, isang malaking biyaya po sa akin ito na maging parte ng MoneyGram. Binabati ko po ang kasama sa media, kasama ko sa dito po ang entertainment at nandito rin ang business. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdating. At syempre, my bosses, thank you very much for letting me represent MoneyGram. Ako bilang si Robin Padilla at nabiyayaan ng ganitong klaseng pagkakataon, I am honored. Hindi dahil nasa script yun. Kasi nasa script yun. Kasi I'm saying yung script. Ako'y artista eh. Pero I like reading the script. So, to give respect to the one who wrote the script, I will read the script. I am very honored to be chosen as the brand ambassador. This endorsement is a great opportunity to build MoneyGram brand with the 8.3 million Filipinos living and working overseas. Yan. Hindi ko sinasadya, nagkataon lang ko, ang ating bansa ay naghihikaros. Ibig sabihin naghihirap. At kung hindi dahil sa mga overseas Filipino workers na nagpapasok sila ng $23 billion, that is 900 trillion pesos sa Pilipinas, eh siguro baka matagal na hong malungkot ang inang bayang Pilipinas. Kaya, uulitin ko, isang malaking karangalan ang mga kasama sa Manigram. Hindi ko pa rin tutuloy, wala pa si script ni susunod.